How are you? I hope you're good today. Continuing on from the previous thing that I did, I'm going to talk about ordering in a restaurant and then a bit of insults. How will you insult someone? So if you know someone is insulting you, you know, like you've gone to a restaurant or you want to order food. So simple, you sit down, ikeleha, you know, ututoma, ibolachi, you know what I'm saying? So let's go from that. Kedu olotunode, you know, how are you? And all of that. And then you want to say, give me water. Give me water. You will say, nyemu mmiri. Nyemu mmiri. Give me water. Nyemu mmiri. Mmiri is water. Mmiri, water. Nyemu mmiri. Give me water. So that's how you say it. And then you want to ask them, do you have rice? You say, unu were osikapa. Unu were osikapa. So osikapa is rice. But because the everyday usage, no, we don't really use osikapa as an everyday word, so we just stick to rice. So if you want to order, you will now say nyemu rice or unu were rice. Unu were rice. Do you have rice? Do you guys have rice? So that's what you would say. If you're just going to be very erotic with it, unu were osikapa, that's how you say it. Then unu were osikapa, do you have rice? They will respond, anyi were rice. Yes, we have rice. Mba, anyi wegi rice. No, we don't have rice. Or yeah, you can say or you can say if they now say that they have rice, you know, anyi were rice. You know, you ask them, how much is it? Yeah, or how much is it? Is it ego le kowo? Ego le kowo. You know, ego le kowo. But in context, if you're going to a restaurant and it's not like a proper restaurant that has the menu, so you will not ask them, can I have, you know, 50 naira rice? You know, tinyerem rice 50 naira. Or achorum rice 50 naira. Do you understand? So yeah, you could say that. How much is it? Going back to what I said, how much is it? Ego le kowo. Ego le wo rice. Ego le kunu nere rice. Different ways to say it. Ego le kowo. How much is it? Ego le kunu nere rice. How much are you guys selling your rice? And then you want to say, give me drink. Give me drink. Nyemu mmanye. Nyemu mmanye. Remember we said give me water is nyemu mmiri. Mmiri water. Give me mmanye drink. Give me mmanye. And if you want to personalize your sentence, then you now say nyemu 7-Up. Nyemu Mortina. Nyemu ihozucho. Nyemu mmanye. Give me 7-Up. Nyemu all of this and all of that you want. Okay. And then if you finish paying whatever, and you want to ask them, oh, how much is my change? Ego le foro. Ego ole foro. Like how much is remaining? Literal translation. How much is remaining? Ego le foro. Or they say how much is my change? Ego le wo my change. You can say that as well. Ingliwo. As a beginner, it's fine. You can go for Ingliwo, you know, because that's really what a lot of us speak. It's not acceptable, but because this is a beginner sentence, beginner, you know, so I'm going to help you and simplify it and make it accessible as possible. How much is my change? Ego le wo change him. And then if you want someone to tell you, nyemu ego. Nyemu ego. Give me money. I don't know if you guys have seen that Bobrisky video.
Nyem ego. Ego. Money.
Ego. Give me money. Give me money, honey. You know what I'm saying? Give it to me. Give me the money. Nyemu the ego. Nyemu ego. Kamorike. Take care of myself. Nyemo ego, kamodike take it good, kamodike look good. So, nyemo ego. And then going on to insults. You want to insult somebody? Be careful. I asked my friend, like, so she said I should help her translate this word so she can learn it. So if I slap you, you will forget your name. Mbaga kanti. Ige chefu ahage. Mbaga kanti. Ige chefu ahage. If I slap you, you will forget your name. Ahage, your name. Aha, name. Chefu, forget. Mbage akanti. Or Anambra people, they say Mage ora. Mage ora.
Magolao. Eh? Again they make it.
Slap you. Iman cheta fage. Iman cheta fage, bro. Iman cheta fage. Mage ora. Iman cheta fage. That's how Anambra person would say it. But you know, central Igbo. Mage akanti. Ige chefu ahage. You forget your name. So another one, the typical phrase that every African parent says, come on, put it on my head. Come on, put it on my head. Say, bia, bia, bria. Bria, bia, bia, tea nation. Bia, the same nation. Bia, tea, bia, nation. Come on, put it on my head. Bia, tea nation. Bia, the same nation. Or you can say, Oluko is like stupid. Oluko, stupid. Or you say Onyara, mad person. Iwo Onyara, you're a mad person. You don't colo with that. You don't colo with that. You're a mad person. Iwo Onyara, mad person. But people actually claim it. People call themselves Ndara. So you know, you're a mad person, like saying like I'm a crackhead. You know. Ishi adegema. Your head is not correct. Your head is not correct. You don't color. Again. Ishi adegema. Your head is not. You're not well. You're not well. You want to say thunder fire you. Thunder fire you, dear. You have to do the hand. Thunder fire you, dear. You say chuku mogoko. Chinek, not you. Not you that is watching. This is what you're gonna say to somebody. Okay. So chuku ha oko. Thunder fire them. Not you. Thunder fire them. Chuku oko. You wanna say, I don't know another word. I'm trying to think on top of my head right now to call somebody Onyiberibe. Someone that is just nonsense, a stupid person. Onyiberibe, nonsense person. And then you have this thing that says Iberiberism is like equivalent is stupidity.
It is what I call Iberiberism.
I beg your pardon.
Well, go and search for it, my friend.
Iberiberism.
Yes. It's an
Please
English
explain.
word.
What does it mean?
Well, go and search. Go and look for the dictionary to look at it.
And I doubt that can be found in the dictionary.
Are you sure?
Your Excellency.
Okay, look at Rocha's dictionary and see where it is.
Iberiberism. In Iberiberism, you're suffering from stupidity. You're suffering from stupidity. Not you, again. Not you guys that are watching. It's not you guys. Them people that you're going to use the words to. They are suffering from Iberiberism. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next one. Okay. Bye.